Hello there. Want to remove the Google News feed from your Android home screen? In this 2026 guide, we'll show you two quick and easy methods to disable Google Discover in just a few taps. Method 1. Turn off Discover through the Google app. If you'd like to keep the swipe shortcut available but remove the personalized news articles, you can disable Discover directly from the Google app. First, open the Google app on your Android device. Tap your profile picture or the first letter of your account name in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Next, tap General. On some devices, this option may appear under Other Settings depending on the version of the Google app you're using. Scroll down until you find the Discover option. Simply toggle the switch off. Once disabled, the Google app will no longer show the personalized news feed. If the swipe page remains, it may appear as a blank search page instead of displaying articles and recommendations. Method 2. Disable the feed from home screen settings. This method completely removes the Google News Feed panel from your home screen. Start by long pressing an empty area on your home screen until the customization options appear. Tap Home Settings. The exact wording may vary depending on your device manufacturer. Look for an option labeled Swipe to access Google app, Google Discover, media page, or something similar. Turn the toggle off to disable it. After doing this, swiping to the leftmost home screen will no longer open the Google News feed. You have successfully turned off the Google News feed on your Android home screen. If you ever change your mind, you can follow the same steps to enable it again and continue receiving personalized updates from Google.